Land Rover's Pivi Pro system can sometimes be glitchy. This section clarifies the difference between a reboot and a factory reset, and when each is appropriate. A reboot, or soft reset, restarts the system without deleting your personal data. To reboot, hold the power button for 5 seconds. Use this for minor issues like slow response times. A factory reset wipes all user data and settings, restoring the system to its original state. This is a nuclear option for severe issues like unresponsive screens or software crashes. Remember to back up your data before performing a factory reset, as it will erase everything. Factory resets are becoming less necessary due to over-the-air updates addressing common issues. If your Pivi Pro touchscreen isn't working, first try a reboot. If your Pivi Pro touchscreen isn't working, first try a reboot. Ensure your system software is up to date via the vehicle's settings menu or the Land Rover app, as updates often include bug fixes. If problems persist, consider a factory reset. There are 2 main methods. Either press and hold the volume up-down buttons for 10 to 15 seconds while powering on the vehicle, or navigate to Settings, System, Factory Reset. This might require a PIN. User forums like Land Rover forums or Reddit can provide DIY troubleshooting tips. Post-reset, you'll need to repair your devices and reconfigure your settings. Future Pivi Pro versions aim for AI-driven self-healing software, reducing the need for manual resets. Remember, resets won't fix hardware damage to the screen.